Ah, the magic circle. It's often used in crochet to start something that's going to be worked in the round. And we love it because we can start something in the round without there being a big hole in our project. And it is simple, but awkward is how I would describe it. So we're going to slow it way down and show you step by step how to make the magic circle. And this is a kind of a unique way to make it, but I think it's the easiest way. You can tell me in the comments. To make the magic circle, you're going to start by making a loop. And the way that we make our loop is very specific, so follow along. You're going to have the loose end of your yarn on top and pointing up. So it should be on top, crossing over your working yarn, and your working yarn is on the bottom and underneath your loose end here. Now I'm just going to hold this loop together in my left hand between my thumb and my finger, and then I can use my right hand to use my hook. I'm going to put my hook into the circle coming from behind and then out, and then I'm going to go and catch that working yarn with my hook and draw it up into the circle. And then you're just going to drop what you've been holding in your left hand and kind of bring the top down to the bottom. So the top of the circle comes down to the bottom, and it is kind of awkward feeling. And then you're going to chain one. And then all you have to do is work as many single crochets as your pattern specifies into the magic circle. And it's fine if you work over top that loose end of your yarn. My advice here is try to keep your stitches consistent in tension, which can be difficult to do because admittedly the magic circle is a little bit awkward to make. So keeping your tension consistent can be difficult. But if you can keep your tension consistent, then that first round of stitches will look a lot neater. When you've worked all your single crochets into the circle, you're going to grab that loose end of your yarn and just pull it taut. And voila, that's your magic circle.